join it from the other side as well, that side there. Look, the cup.
Yes. Yes. Oh, look at that big ship.
Wow.
So this is what you want, is this bridge.
Yeah.
Which I think we go over the bridge in a
John
bit.
Blatnik Bridge. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Yeah, that.
Wow. Excellent. That bridge, that boat don't look like it's gone anywhere recently. It's all rusty.
No, it's got containers on
True,
it.
it has. Yeah.
This first one you're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the scary bridge. She said it's very high, isn't it? Presumably so the boats can go under this bit,
Yeah.
and then you got.
Whoa.
Hang on, this is not the bridge I was thinking of. There's another bridge, which is one that the centre goes up and down on,
Oh, okay.
which is by not far from our hotel. This is very interesting.
And look at all those houses on the river, lake edge.
Yeah, and they're on like a peninsula. Look.
Yeah, I bet they've got a boat on there. And then we look like we've got a, I'm going to say statues.
Ah, there's the bridge over there. Look, that's got the. You can see it behind that tower now almost. It's one of these that lifts up. You see it in the distance.
Yes, I can see it now.
That is where we're going to walk across that.
Oh, we'll
That's the
walk
one.
across it.
We're going to, yes. Oh, continue. So, avoiding road closures.
Oh, 86,000 in Duluth population.
Quite big. Yes, the fifth largest in the state, I think.
And a lot of work down here to be had for them. It looks like this is the docking yard. Containers on the ships.
Yeah. Yes, that's the bridge I want to go and have a look at.
Okay. You go either way.
Bit weird that.
That must go off somewhere else. Yeah, it goes across there. Look at this, all those new trucks.